guess what? Rare Furby. The tropical one. We've had this for quite a while actually, and originally it didn't work. So what we did was like, okay, so basically here's how to repair a Furby. Just kidding. I'm just going to teach you a bit. So right here above the beak, like right here, you have to like bend it down, and then like that hole like above the beak, you push in a flat screwdriver and you wiggle it around. Shush, Furby. And you don't take the beak off. Just wiggle it around in there, and if the Furby doesn't work, like not if its batteries are low, but like if the Furby like doesn't work at all, even if you put fresh batteries in it, do that. Wiggle it around, and you'll get the motor starting again. If it's not the motor's problem, I don't know what else to do. That's probably the only way since they're really old. But whatever. This is the 1999, I think, tropical Furby with tags still on. And I can get the box. Let me show it actually, because we sold the box, the original. Okay, so this is, hold on. This is the, see, it's the Toys R Us. Let me get into the light a bit more. The Toys R Us limited edition. That's all I can do. Hold on, let me put the box in. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. So yeah. Ava, this is for you. Stare into its soulless eyes.